Let's see, Abe, I concentrate in B and C class props. Great stuff. So just to give everyone a bit of an overview for those who are not familiar with the B and C type of properties, there are four main type of property classes: Class A, B, C, and D. So Class A's are usually the new buildings, the ones that are recently built up. They're somewhere between 0 to 10 years old, and they are located in highly sought after areas, like areas that are considered hip, trendy, and stuff like that. B and C pertain mostly to working class, middle class neighborhoods, and also they range somewhere between 11 years to 20 years, so to speak. So that's not a bad thing for those who are actually wondering, because one of the questions I had in one of the episodes that I launched was that I prefer to invest in new properties because there's less maintenance. And just so you know, it all depends on your tenants. So for example, you can have the best building, the best house, brand new, very nice, but if you're not doing the proper due diligence to qualify your tenant and you place that tenant in that property, he or she or that family can completely trash your place. And believe me, it's going to be expensive for you to maintain, quote unquote, renovate, because you're going to have to deal with an eviction cost. You're going to have to deal with renovations. Meanwhile, if you invest in Class B and C properties, then you're putting less money up front because they are usually less in cost compared to Class A's. You are renting out to working class families, middle class families who are very nice to rent to. They want a home to live, and if you place that right tenant into the right property, then the combination of the two will save you money from having to maintain that property. Because if you have a family that it's careful, they are humble, and they're nice enough, and they care for the property and their family itself, you're not going to have to worry much about the upkeep of the property. The key is finding the right tenants. With the right tenants, there's not much to maintain, there's not much to quote unquote manage. So thanks for bringing it up, and I agree with you. B and C's are actually great properties to invest in.